2/10 of rain, and we may get some more. It's May 4th. Well, it is later in the afternoon. I haven't been back out to check the rain gauge, which is over there by the tree. We're actually having some thunderstorms, although the sky is brightening up over there. So I'll be excited to see what amount of rain we've received, certainly. That is some big pieces of hail falling out there. Let's see. My neighbors just built a carport. They have their cars under there. My car's kind of under the tree. I hope Joy is okay. Wow. Was not anticipating this. Those bigger pops you're hearing is when a piece of hail is hitting on one of the skylights. Oh, I hope all the little trees are going to be okay. There's the evidence of the hail shredding the trees in the yard. My little potted plants, well, they're somewhat protected here. Let's see what's in the rain gauge. Oh, wow, y'all. Look at that. Inch. I'm going to say 1.5 inches, just because some of it was hail. It may have even been closer to 1.75 inches, but I'm grateful for every bit of it. This one got semi-shredded as well. Little gemstones are still here. I don't know if we'll see any fruit off of this based on the amount of snow and now this hail damage. Never know though. Unmelted hail back here in the corner. Oh my goodness, didn't see that at first. Joy's got some leaves on her. No damage. Thankfully the hail was only dime size, or for all y'all over there in Scotland and England, tanner sized. Nice along here, and underneath here is where the violet and the dandelions are. Oh my goodness. Well, it's May 5th. I just got done filming out in the yard and came in and it's Hailing again. Oh my goodness, this is more pea-sized hail, I would call it. A little smaller than what was coming down last night. My goodness. Okay, y'all, so you've just seen the huge storm we had, and we actually had more rain and more hail, and the total moisture in the gauge was 2 1/10 of an inch of rain. So what I'm doing now is looking at some books as I watched the way the rain and the runoff was affecting not only my yard, but also the neighbors. Let me take you over there. So I just looked up our average rainfall is 14.5 inches. Hold on. So just on the other side of my neighbor's fence, their driveway, there's a huge puddle of water there this morning. And then it also goes further into the other neighbor's area. And I would like to capture that in the yard. So this is my next project, to determine where and how to build swales or sponge containment areas for the water to soak in. There's a number of different ways to do this. I'll be researching it and I'll be putting a video together, but just wanted to share this with you since this was our first really big rainstorm since we had the snow over the Easter weekend. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video.